Welcome to this Bugging Out Energy Q&A, where we walk you through how we plan to assure that these little termites don't escape once we scale up. Well, for starters, pun fully intended, provided food is available and conditions are favorable, it's within a termite's nature not to escape even when presented with the chance. As you can see with our Coptotermes formistanus colony, who barricaded themselves into their test tube with sand to stabilize their microclimate, and even leaving their test tube to get the sand took 2 whole weeks. Despite their rep, termites are little scaredy cats. The escape of termites is not like hormonally crazed teenagers being let out to explore the whole wide world once they turn adults. It's more like willingly giving up a nice house with an unlimited buffet and literally just jumping through a portal to another planet where, unlike the one you came from, nice living conditions and food are not guaranteed and you don't know what the is going on. Most termites need a high humidity and stable microclimate to survive, and orthigmotactics so require closed spaces, and have varying degrees of photophobia and sensitivity to vibrations, which diminishes the chances of escape even further. But don't you worry, because we're not hippies and are fully prepared for if some of these little get brave in the event of a containment breach and decide to play Dora the Explorer. The first security layer features a 0% humidity air layer outside their enclosures, which will dry them out real fast and likely repel them from the outside as they cling to humidity inside their enclosures. The second layer will involve a moat filled with pure alcohol, specifically ethanol, which termites simply won't be able to survive crossing as it will dehydrate them instantly, which will truly make for a night out to die for. We also have an alarm system that plays Swimming Pools by Kendrick Lamar to deter them from trying to cross the liquor moat. It's a shame that this anti-drinking song had the opposite effect on party people and crazed teenagers, but maybe we'll get a second shot with termites. We would like to maintain that here at Bugging Out Energy, killing renegade termites is a last resort, and retaining our little energy cows is our top priority, and we will actively research new security layers that make the ethanol pool the very last line of defense. Some people have reported orange oil to be a natural termite repellent, although such claims are awaiting scientific confirmation. Any termites that do enter the pool will be sent to our alcohol production facility, where we produce Ciroc termite. Termites are eaten by people in many different cultures around the world, so they can turn up whilst doing it for the culture. In the unlikely event that a termite somehow manages to climb up our super smooth tubes used for transporting food and collecting gas samples, thermal cameras and heat detectors will catch them in the act and lock the place down. There is no way they're getting past the alcohol moat, but we do understand your concerns, so we've added in a bonus security layer. At Bugging Out Energy, we're looking to produce termite eggs as poultry and fish feed, so to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, we've decided to rear our birds and fish on site, thus reducing food miles and implementing literal biosecurity. The body of water our fish are kept in will also attract dragonflies, so we have the land, sea, and sky secured. And we've also got Avengers on speed dial. All in all, termites are far easier to contain than the toxic chemicals that are just spewed into the air and water every ticking second by the chemical industry. Which brings us to another question. Are termites dangerous to humans in any way like some other bugs? No.